Hi, in this video, we are going to make this rainbow shaped gift box. Download the file from the link in the video description below and upload the rainbow box SVG to Design Space. I have made the file easy to use and assemble. Everything is straightforward. I am gonna ungroup it and show you all the elements. On the right hand side here, we have 4 pieces for the box body. All the blue parts are elements for the lid. The purple piece is the shaker base. The 2 pink pieces are part of the shaker base. This rainbow frame is the top of the shaker. The gray piece is for acetate sheet. Here are all the elements. Click Maker to cut. When we get to the Prepare page, we could move around objects to save paper. Because it is a gift box, medium to heavyweight cardstock is recommended. This is my cutting layout. I put all the elements for the lid into one page. All good, and just send to Cricut to cut. Make sure clean the blade before cutting. I haven't done that, so some of my cutouts aren't cut properly. Here are all the element cutouts. Here are the pieces for the box itself. Here are all for the shaker part. These 2 narrow pieces are for the shaker as well. These 3 pieces are for the lid. They will go around the shaker. The rainbow frame and a semicircle acetate. Be careful not to lose it. We will start with the box part first. Here are the 4 pieces for the box. This piece with all the straight edges is the bottom of the box. The 2 pieces with zigzag edges are for the semicircle parts. One of them got dotted lines at the short ends. This is glue mark. Don't fold this bit. Closer look here. We are going to attach these 2 pieces together like this. Make sure the zigzag is on the same side. Don't glue like this. This is incorrect. Make sure stick them like this. Before apply the glue, use a pen to curl both pieces. Then use glue to stick them together. Next, we fold all the zigzag bit. They are the glue tabs. Fold them all. We are going to glue this around the semicircle. We could also hide the tab underneath to make it look neater, but this way it's a bit trickier to glue. Here we will glue it on the top. Grab the straight line piece and fold along the dotted lines. Glue here to here. Make sure they align properly. Next, we will assemble the semicircle part. Make sure we align the 2 pieces properly and no bits stick out. Otherwise, the lid wouldn't be able to fit on top. Apply glue all around. Align the curl edge properly. Take time here to do it. Toward to the end, the front part might get pushed out. Make sure to adjust the back. Glue the last tab. Flip it over and we could see here sticking out a bit. Just need to tuck it in. Give it a good press and make sure they attach properly. Now the box part is done. Next, we are going to assemble the shaker and the lid. These 2 narrow pieces are the semicircle part of the rainbow. The 3 bigger pieces are for the lid. They will be the last pieces we use, so put them aside for now. The rainbow and the acetate are top of the shaker. We will use them later. We will start with the shaker base first. Pick out the base piece and we can see there are 2 marked lines. They are where we will stick the rainbow pieces. Fold the dotted lines at the bottom upward and the 2 small tabs on the sides. There is another one, fold upward again. After folding, we glue the 2 yellow pieces with the rainbow base. Just glue them along the marked lines. Next, grab the 2 narrow pieces. There is a glue mark here, don't fold this bit. Glue the 2 pieces together like this. Grab a pen to curl the long stripe piece. It might be better to curl them before glue, but it's not a big deal. Just hold the glue part to curl so they won't fall apart. Next, we are going to fold all the glue tabs. We will glue them together like this. It is important to align them well so no bits stick outside of the rainbow. Apply glue. I put the glue on the wrong side here. For the two small tabs on the side, the glue should be at the back of the tabs, not the front. I made a mistake here, just wipe it off and apply it at the back of the tabs. Take time here to align properly. Later, the shaker will be wrapped inside the lid, so it is important the edges align well. Flip to the back and check. Push in any bits that are sticking out. Hold the side together before the glue is dry. We are going to wait till the glue is completely dry before the next step. Now the glue is dry, we are going to add in gems, glitters or sequins, whatever you have handy. It's very roomy here, so be generous. When it's come to glitters, more is more. Put it aside. Now we will assemble the rainbow frame top. Flip the rainbow frame over and apply glue. Take time to put the acetate sheet. Flip over gently and give it a press. Next, we'll glue the rainbow frame on the top of the shaker to seal it. Apply glue all over and push in bits that are sticking out. We are going to wait till it is completely dry. Don't shake it and don't flip it over yet. This one I made earlier, I flipped it over before the glue was dry. Some gems are stuck at the top and on the sides here. Wait till it's dry, then we will get on to the next step. Now the shaker is dry. Put it aside and grab the last three pieces. Grab the two pieces that have semicircle. They are the pieces wrapped around the rainbow. They are two circle marks. We will glue these two ends together. Glue mark here, don't fold this line. Gonna glue them together. Make sure both semicircles are at the outer ends. This is the center. Keep the semicircles away from the center. Use a pen to curl and glue them together. The rectangle piece will go to the bottom of the shaker. Now the shaker is dry. Flip it over. The semicircle side will face up. We will wrap the rainbow shaker like this. Apply glue around the shaker edge. Fold the end tabs and press them together as firmly as we can. Grab the last piece and glue it to the lid. Press firmly together. Check the sides if they align properly. The two semicircles here are to help to open the lid easier. Turn it over and look at it. The lid is done. Grab the box and put the lid on. The trick to put the lid on is to put the semicircle part first, then the rest should just slide in. To open it, use the semicircles on the side and lift the lid up. I like to add in details like this to make the finished products easier to use. Not just a pretty face, hey? Hope you enjoyed this design. Thank you for watching.